Hello, TBJ Beshies. Here's my box. Thank you, card. Thank you, Miss Martha. Thank you, TBJ. So I have my Lancome bag. And then, here it is. So I have Hello Glow mask. Apat siya. Apat. Then Hello Glow hydrating cleanser. And then Hello Glow multi-use beauty oil. Tama yan for skincare. And then I have my cream silk and BW Women Use Spray and Hairspray. And then, dahil 40s na tayo, we have Pond's Hexyl Retinol. Nice. And then from Polish, it's curler. And then from BYS, lip oil. And then for Everblena, we have setting spray. And then Pillow Pop. And then, lip liner. And then from Spotlight, Brow Studio Duo. For Bourbon, I have a necklace. And then, of course, from Lancome, madami pa siya. Merong Genifique, skincare, and then perfumes, and then shower gel, and then from Bro House. Thank you. And then I have a box of Strip It. So we have for ingrown hair cream, aloe vera, hair removal sugaring, and exfoliating scrub. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next year, TBJ Bashies. Bye.